Oi! Are you a cut off banana? Are you a cut off banana them boy? Eh? You know them more what? Eh?
What you mean and so me I do?
Oh, you mean me in the store yard do? You in my yard. Are you cut about if me in the store yard do?
Me can't pick banana for anyone I treat them, boy.
What you mean you can't pick? A stone yard have?
We a cast stone, a Rocky a cast stone.
Hey boy.
Rocky, this boy, this a Rocky.
Hey boy. A stone
Rocky.
have?
Rocky,
Alright.
no Rocky. Rocky, don't do him nothing, Rocky.
What you mean don't do it, Rocky? What you mean?
Rocky.
Swing it
Rocky.
Swing it
Rocky. You hear me? I say, sometimes if you take telling you know. Just left the man alone.
What you doing in my yard, boy? Eh? What you doing, stone? I bet
Rocky.
Eh?
Just hear me, I say, Rocky. Just left the man alone, you know, Rocky.
Let me alone. Swing it
Rocky, sometimes if you take telling you, Rocky.
Swing it Another.
Rocky, easy yourself, no, Rocky.
Another stuff you do. Swing it
Rocky, just hear me, I say, Rocky. Just humble yourself, Rocky.
Fling it, boy.
Rocky. Just
left foot on me yard, boy. What you do?
You're in a man. You're in a man. You're in a man yard, Rocky. You just watch out. I could just take your banana and go on about your business.
Oi.
With all due respect.
Left the banana. Left low banana. Come out of my yard, boy.
Come out of your yard.
Come out of your yard, boy.
Rocky, look, Rocky, look. And your sister take part in 19, Rocky. Your sister sell out, Rocky.
Hey, boy, you
them not sitting there wrong, Rocky.
You're mad boy, you know. Yo, let me play some. Auntie Bev.
Just left him. Are you causing it?
Oi. What you mean take banana and go? You can't left out you can't left out of this with no banana.
So what you gonna do? What you gonna do?
What you gonna do? Oi, what you gonna do with that stone there? I better not fling it.
I style, Rocky.
What you mean about style, Rocky? You're mad boy, you know. You see you. I pay a problem again in the community, no boy. And we will get rid of you out there, no boy.
Get rid of who?
You.
Anna me, a Rocky.
What you mean, Anna you on a rock?
A Rocky.
You say, boy, you're a real mad boy. Yeah, boy, you see you.
Hey, boy, me just pick a banana and go on let me go here.
No banana, yes, sir.
So what you gonna do? What you gonna do?
You not pick no banana.
What you gonna do?
Hey, boy.
What you gonna do?
Another, come no closer.
Eh? What you gonna do? Rocky,
Oi. Auntie Bev.
Yeah, me I say Rocky. Just left him man alone, Rocky.
What you mean just took now? Hey, boy.
Rocky, Rocky, me tell us, Rocky, where you come from, Rocky? Eh? You're a bad man, you know, Rocky. Eh? Where you come from? Town or Spanish town? Eh? Or a client? And a client that come from, Rocky? Because only them man, them know a bad man, you know. Eh? But thank you for saving me, Rocky, here. Thank you, because boy, I didn't want to come go and like say, you know, want me pick no nice banana. Nobody can tap me from pick nothing around there, so no way. Oh. But Rocky, thank you for saving me again, you know. Yeah? What you say? No, Rocky, no, man. You're going from bad to worse now, Rocky. What you say me for do? No, Rocky, me I don't know thief, Rocky. You done good on yourself a while ago. You tell me, say, you done good on yourself a while ago and beat up a man for banana. And you tell me, say, if you broke place. Eh? Rocky. Look in there if I see nobody, Rocky. You see nobody in there? Alright. Turn up this one, yeah? Yeah, come. How they come? Ah!